Hello guys, this is Lauren, and you can see here garlics. And what I'm going to do today is I'm gonna try to plant garlic in summer. I never did this before. I always planted my garlic and onions in September or October. So this time it's high summer, and then I'm gonna try to plant these garlics. So I have here the raised bed where the onions were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this garlic in between the potatoes. So and then maybe when I'm harvesting the potatoes in late summer, let's see, the garlic will become free and they will have more room to grow. Really, this is my first time to plant garlic in summer. I still don't know what will gonna be the result of this. So let's see. At least I try. Better you try than to do nothing. If you have free space, you can always try to plant anything that you think it's okay to plant. So do you think that this garlic will become mature? So I still have few. Oh, do you see that? Slugs. This is the most greedy plant eater. This is slugs, or we call it here naksnake. So I'm going to plant here. Still have garlic there, but I love these snails. They just eat dead thing. So I still have 3 smalls. Actually, I don't plant the middle part of the garlic, only the surrounding cloves. But this time I'm gonna plant it either. Let's see. So guys, that's it. I don't know how long does it take before they sprout. So that's my short video for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it, and for those of you who are in the same climate as we have here, you can also try to plant your garlic this time. Again guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Lauren. God bless you all. Bye bye.